Okay squad, Andrew at Impress here. What we have this time is gonna be a space station. This is what you wanna see whenever you're looking to play Diablo 4 or any of those new titles that are coming out especially. This is gonna be the 4K dream with all of the things that you want. High warranty, high-end performance, let's get to it. Okay, this is gonna be it. This is the works. Everything that you could possibly need for gaming and then some. This is an i9 13th gen RTX4090, 1000-watt power supply, Corsair 4000D airflow. This is gonna be what you're looking for whenever you wanna do that higher tier gaming, 4K streaming, anything like that. All you have to do is just pick up that phone, call 281-647-9977. All right.